A new oven can be a real treat in your home, so allow the treats to keep going by letting our team of experts safely install your new oven. Our experts will connect your new appliance to a suitable electrical socket or connection point, so make sure it's within reach of the appliance and complete with fascia screws and cable clamp. We can only fit your appliance if the dimensions are the same as the old one, or it just won't fit. So measure the height, width and depth to be certain. Remember, safety is important, so please ensure any gas work is complete and the pipe capped before the delivery of your new appliance. We're as eager as you to get started, so have a look at the checklist to make sure you're ready, and you'll be using your new ovens before you know it.